Because I just wanted a new bed.
Yeah. What does it mean to you to get this bed?
Like all my hopes and G's are on this bed.
And tonight, our viewers donated $36,000 through the organization, which means 205 children will be getting new beds in the new year. If you missed the telethon, you can still donate to help kids. We have a link on our website, whio.com.
And now, your Storm Center 7 forecast with meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux III.
And meteorologist Robert Gauthreaux joins me now, and it's colder right now than it was this morning.
Yeah, the audience even heard me say that, I think. That's because I took too long to tell her. But regardless, yeah, it is colder now than it was this morning. This morning we only got down about 52 degrees or so. Right now we're in the 40s. And so that's because a cold front has passed. So temperatures are dropping, and we will be cooler the next several days than where we were today or even yesterday. Yesterday was a warm Christmas, I believe, got up to 60 degrees. That's not record-breaking, but certainly getting up there. And then today's record was 66. Didn't get anywhere near that, but it certainly was warmer than average. Now, this, again, our coldest temperatures of the day thus far, they've pretty much happened within the last couple hours. So 46 degrees is the coldest temperature of the day thus far. The high temperature today, yeah, we got up to 58, so it's about 8 degrees cooler than the record. Regardless, it was still a mild day. Current temperature is 47 degrees, so yeah, we're right around at the coolest part of the day for at least today. That's what happens when a cold front passes. It makes things go kind of out of whack. You can see some places actually have reached the 30s today, and we're going to get into the 30s here probably tonight, actually. In fact, if you take a look at the high temperatures into the next several days, we're typically about 39 degrees in the afternoon. So tomorrow will still be above average with a high of 47 and still technically above average on Thursday, but we are trending cooler. No 58s, no 60s. As we head into Friday and the rest of the weekend, I mean, it's pretty much average. I mean, more or less seasonable heading into the weekend. So cooler temperatures are to come. Are they ridiculously frigid and cold? No. I mean, they're pretty typical for late December and early January. Here are the temperatures right now across the region. Oxford's at 45. Dayton's at 47, 43 in Salina, 44 in Miamisburg. And we're looking at dry roads here in the Troy Public Square. We're also looking at this big swirl in the plains moving pretty much directly over Kansas City at this point. You see how it's swirling like that counterclockwise? That's an area of low pressure bringing kind of a mess across portions of the plains as far as snow is concerned. There's some blizzard warnings out there. You can actually see the snow on the west side of this. It's coming in from the north, moving to the south, and so even a little bit of snow in the Texas Panhandle there. And then there you can see right across Kansas City where that circulation is. We're looking at a little bit of snow in the rest of Missouri. We're looking at some rainfall. That's not quite here yet. What we have instead is some rain. And if you watched earlier this evening, I had mentioned the fact that the central part and the eastern part of the state will likely see some good shower activity tonight. As far as us, it's kind of on our eastern counties only, and eventually we'll be moving off to the east. You can see that illustrated here. Into the overnight hours, that pushes off. And so any chance of rain will linger and then disappear. We'll actually see some sunshine moving into tomorrow. And Thursday, we're looking mainly dry, but that area of circulation, that low pressure moves closer to us. So moisture coming up. I don't expect snow Thursday afternoon, but Thursday evening and really Friday morning, yeah, we might see a little bit of a wintry mix in there. So keep that in mind. Pretty seasonable into the weekend, and your New Year starts also seasonably cool.
Military families